The Clever Cat and the Playful Monkey. In a magical forest filled with vibrant trees and sparkling streams, lived a clever cat named Cleo and a mischievous monkey named Milo. They were neighbors but had very different personalities. One sunny morning, Cleo was relaxing on a tree branch when she saw Milo swinging through the trees, creating chaos wherever he went. Intrigued, Cleo decided to introduce herself. Cleo and Milo quickly became friends, despite their differences. One day, they found a puzzle hidden deep in the forest. The puzzle was said to hold a secret treasure, and Cleo and Milo decided to work together to solve it. Cleo approached the puzzle with a thoughtful plan. She carefully observed the pieces, analyzing their shapes and patterns. She suggested they start by organizing the pieces by color and shape to make the task more manageable. Milo, however, couldn't contain his excitement. He randomly grabbed pieces and tried to force them together without thinking. Frustrated, he ended up making a mess. After the initial failure, Cleo gently advised Milo to slow down and think before acting. She explained how patience and strategy could lead to better results. Milo realized his impulsive nature was hindering their progress. Following Cleo's advice, they began working together in a more organized manner. Cleo shared her observations, and Milo added his own creative ideas. Their strengths complemented each other well.
After hours of collaboration, Cleo and Milo finally pieced together the puzzle. As it clicked into place, a hidden compartment opened, revealing a sparkling gem that shone like the sun. Their teamwork had paid off. Cleo and Milo realized that their different personalities didn't have to clash. Instead, they could work together to achieve something wonderful. The treasure wasn't just the gem but the valuable lesson they had learned. Through Cleo's patience and Milo's enthusiasm, they learned that combining their unique qualities led to success. The story teaches us that working together with people of diverse skills and personalities can yield amazing results, fostering mutual growth and understanding. Cleo and Milo's friendship continued to flourish, and they became known throughout the forest for their wise partnership. Their story served as an example of how unity and cooperation could create harmony in even the most diverse friendships.